It's a new year and I'm going to share with you the 4 side hustles that are going to be hot for this year. And I'll be breaking them down into 4 categories. We'll have the easiest side hustle to do in 2024, the side hustle to watch, and the best newcomer for 2024. And I'm going to end with a banger and let you know what I think is the best side hustle in 2024. I will be sharing with you how each side hustle works and what are the keys for success. Now this one will get the easiest side hustle for the year because it's the easiest and the cheapest one to start, and that is Amazon video product reviews. Now, Amazon is hands down the biggest online retailer in the world. And for me and millions of people, this is the first place we go to when we want to buy a product online. And this is where you come in, because you can make money from regular shoppers on Amazon like me by simply leaving a video product review. Last year, I saw where somebody actually took this seriously and made over $150,000. So how this works is if you leave a video review about an Amazon product, Amazon will pay you a commission if someone watches your video then proceeds to buy the product, even if they've only watched your video for a few seconds. And starting this is dead easy because all you want is an Amazon affiliate account and literally anybody can sign up for this. Now, sometimes I go into Amazon and all I want to buy is some drain blockage remover. But other times I want to buy a more expensive, more high-end item. And usually when I'm making these purchases, the first thing I tend to do is to scroll down to the bottom of the page to get to the review section. I tend to normally read the best reviews and then the worst reviews. I then look to see if there are any video reviews of the product itself. And these video reviews are normally made by ordinary people like you and me. And what many people do not realize is that the people who are actually leaving these reviews are making an absolute mint from these videos. Now, if we look closely at some of these videos, we can see that they're very simple videos that people are just perhaps recording on their cell phones. And they'll spend a minute or 2 minutes talking about the things that they like and don't like about the product. So if you're looking to do this side hustle, it will cost you absolutely nothing, because what you're doing is you're reviewing products that you've already bought on Amazon, or you go and buy a product on Amazon, you do a review, then you return it. And most of us will already have a smartphone that takes high quality video, so you literally do not need to invest any money at all for this side hustle. Now, the key to making money from this side hustle is to go and find a product that doesn't have too many video reviews, because as you can see here, some products can be saturated with video reviews. So if we look at these Sennheiser wireless headphones, for example, we can see that these are selling really well, but there are no video reviews for this product whatsoever. Now, seeing that we know that Amazon pays up to 2% commission on electronic items, and this product, as we can see here, has over 300 reviews, we can safely assume that this product has been sold over 1,000 times. Now, let's just say 100 people watched our video review and then went ahead and purchased this product. Now, if we do some quick math here, we can see that we could potentially make over $500 just from this product. Now, imagine if you have 10, 20, 30 products like this one that you've done video reviews for. You literally could be making thousands of dollars per year just from doing this. Now, this newcomer side hustle began in early 2023 and it picked up a lot of steam and gathered a lot of attention then. And I think that this side hustle is going to have a massive 2024. If you do not know what this is, let me take you inside the world of AI art. Now, AI platforms like Midjourney have gotten even better at generating realistic artwork by just typing in some simple prompts. So using a platform like Midjourney, I can create artwork that looks like this, and this, and this, and this. Then it's very easy for you to go and sell your artwork on a platform like Etsy as a print-on-demand product or as a digital product. And you can make a lot of money doing that. So last year, I made a video about how we could use AI platforms like Midjourney to create realistic artwork that we could then go and sell on platforms like Etsy. And some people actually started to do this, including this shop here that has grossed over 6 figures since launching last year. This is a business that you can do from anywhere in the world for as little as $10 per month. All you need to do is to sign up for a subscription with Midjourney, because this will give you commercial rights to the images that you produce. And then you just need to use some text prompts like this one here and generate some amazing artwork. And if you really want to get a good idea of the sort of prompts that you can use to generate specific types of artwork, the best way to do that is to use Midjourney's describe feature. So for example, if I want to see what prompt I can use to generate an image like this, I'm just going to pop over to Midjourney. Then I'm going to type in here /describe. It will then prompt me to upload an image. Then Midjourney is going to give us 4 prompts which it thinks best describes the image that we have uploaded. All you have to do after this is to test and tweak the image until you get an image that you love. And look, always remember, do not copy anybody else's image, because Etsy might give you a copyright strike, which might see the product being removed from your shop, or at worst, they could ban you and close your shop entirely. Always use images like this for inspiration to create your own artwork. Now, the key to this side hustle is to understand what people are willing to buy. So what kind of artwork are people actually buying right now? You want to know what is on trend. And you can do this by doing some simple product research on Etsy to see what people are actually buying right now. Also, with Etsy, you want to make sure that you're listing products consistently and regularly, because this will give you the best chances of making a lot of sales. Now, side hustles are going to blow up in 2024 even more than before. And I think this niche is going to be one to watch, because I think millions of people will be looking to buy product mock-ups this year. For example, t-shirts are one of the biggest selling items on Etsy, which means that sellers on Etsy are going to need mock-up for their products. Because one of the biggest conversion factors when selling t-shirts on Etsy is to actually show what that t-shirt looks like on a real person. So last year, I realized that there was one shop who was making a lot of money doing this, and I wanted to see for myself if anybody can start this side hustle. So all I did was to get 2 t-shirts, one black one and one white one, and then I used my phone to take some photographs of myself removing my face from the pictures. I then did a little bit of light editing on these photographs, and I listed them for sale on Etsy as digital downloads. And within a few days, the sales were coming, and they were coming fast. All of this I was able to do in a day, and all it costed me was my Etsy listing fees. So as I said, this is a serious side hustle, and I do believe that there's a lot of demand for this product right now, and you can make product mock-ups for literally anything that sells on Etsy as a product. You can find a product mock-up that you can sell on Etsy for that product. There are shops that are doing this, and they're making thousands per year. And again, the key to succeeding on Etsy is to make sure you're listing regularly and you're listing a lot of products on the platform. And doing that is not hard. I could take this photograph, for example, and I could turn it into 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different product listings. So if I was really going to take this side hustle seriously when I tried it, another thing that I would do is to include more people in my product mockups. This will help me to increase my product demographic range, because you see, the more diverse my product mockup listings are, then the more likely it is that I'll be making sales consistently. This side hustle has been strong for years and is my overall favorite. I call this one the side hustle of all side hustles. So in my last video, I explained why YouTube is one of the best side hustles that anybody can do. And in that video, I explained the reason for this. So if you haven't seen it already, please go and watch it once you've finished watching this one. However, I think whenever I talk about YouTube, it frightens a lot of people because they often don't know what they would even do on YouTube. Some people actually freak out at the idea of being on camera or even speaking in front of a camera. But in another video that I did last year, I shared with you how you can create faceless YouTube videos using AI and free images and videos from across the internet. Like this video here literally took me minutes to do.
Today, we will explore one of the most amazing destinations in the world. We're diving into the vibrant and historic city of London. Get ready as we take you on an unforgettable journey through the 10 best attractions this incredible city has to offer.
So the script and the audio that I used for this video was completely generated by AI. So ChatGPT did the script and I used Veed.io to get the audio. The video footage I found on pexels.com. You can see how very easily you can create videos like this and you can grow into channels that look like this. Or again, you could be creating video reviews for products on YouTube, and all you will need to do is to place an affiliate link in the description of the video. So for example, let's say that I want to create a video review for this Dyson air cooler. So what I would do in this case, I would go to Dyson's website and I'll try and find whatever video footage and images I can find of the product. So to get this video, for example, on my PC, I'd simply just play the video and record my screen. Now, to do that, all I would need is a program like Microsoft PowerPoint. I could just go to PowerPoint, open it and create a blank presentation, and then on the recording, click on screen recording. Now this will then allow me to select the area that I want to record. Then I will just record the video and save it. Then I might want to try and find some images for the product as well. Another thing that I could do is to just pop over to YouTube and search for marketing videos of the product that I want to review. Now, if you're getting videos from YouTube or anywhere else, make sure that you're not using the video in its entirety. Only use a few seconds of footage from the actual video because you do not want to get a copyright strike. What you want to do is to collate different videos from different sources and put them together and make a single review. So once you've collated all your video assets and your images, you might want to generate a script that will explain what the product is and talk about all the features and advantages of the product. And for this, we could just use an AI like ChatGPT who can write the script for us, asking it to outline all the benefits and all the cons for the product. It will then generate the script for you, and then all you do after that is you go to a platform like Veed. You use the script to generate the audio just like I did in my video earlier. And if you don't want to pay for a platform like Veed, you could record the video in your own voice and edit it using a free video editing software like CapCut. CapCut is easy to use and you can just go and download it here from their website. Now the key for success on YouTube is to ensure that you've got high quality content. You need to make sure that your titles and thumbnails are obviously very well done. But fundamentally, the most important thing for success on YouTube is patience and consistency. Now, YouTube, I would say, is the hardest side hustle on here, and that is why it's the best one. But if you're patient and consistent and you try to improve the quality of your content over time, then success will come. It's January, it's 2024. I've just given you 4 amazing side hustles that you can go and start right now. Now I want you to let me know in the comments which one are you thinking about giving a go. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and to also share the video. Also, if you haven't watched my video about why YouTube is the best side hustle, I will link it here. I will see you on the next